Alright, so this is just going to be a quick video about a vegan shop that I did at my local IGA. I just wanted to give people a good idea of what you can get for around $40 here in Australia. It's not my main food shop either. I usually buy more veggies and, you know, plant-based products, but in this particular shop it was more snack-based, as I haven't been eating much lately at all for a lot of reasons. I'm not going to get into it here, but so I'm sort of just incorporating more snacks back into my diet because, yeah, for a good 3 months I want to say, I just couldn't eat barely anything at all. Just like a vegan up and go and a banana and then I'm good to go. I lost so much weight, it was ridiculous. But yeah, I didn't even need to lose weight either. It just, if you know, you know. But anyways, this is the bag right here, and I spent $47.82. So, half a honeydew melon. Always eat your fruit. Vegan chocolate, sea salt. Like the last couple of days, I've eaten all my vegan chocolate. Like, it was sitting in the cupboard for like, I don't know, a year. And I reckon I polished off an entire block over the last 3 days. And I was like, man, you know what? I used to say, I used to tell people I hated chocolate, and you know, I didn't particularly like it, but I don't know, man, there's just something about this vegan chocolate that is incredible. What else did I get? So on those days I can't be bothered waiting for coffees or whatever, I got some iced long blacks from Suntory. I've had one of these before and they're actually pretty good. I love my black coffee, and yeah, this just fills a hole. Especially if like you're having it iced instead of just lukewarm, very refreshing. At my local shop, got 2 more vegan snacks that I hadn't seen before by Kelly, and these are guilt-free crisps. So there's like a Thai sweet chili flavor, and this one is tangy cheese and red onion. Now I'm always skeptical of like cheese flavored stuff that's vegan, but because sometimes they'll say it's like a plant-based food or whatever, and then if you check the ingredients in the little fine print, it will still say contains milk, so I'm always skeptical about that. But these are vegan. Double cooked without oil, vegan, gluten-free, no MSG, no preservatives, no palm oil, low sugar. You know, I love my snacks. I'm not really a sweet tooth, I just love, you know, salty snacks. So I can't wait to try them. Next up is 4 kiwi fruit. Kiwi fruit is very underrated. People don't eat enough kiwi fruit. This is another new snack that I saw. No nuts, vegan friendly smoky barbecue chickpeas. So they're gonna have a lot of protein, which is also good. You know, I work out pretty much every single day, and so it's good to have protein. You know, if you're plant-based, vegan, vegetarian, you know, you've got to be careful that your protein intake is still high. Yeah, can't wait to try these. No GMOs, nothing artificial, low in saturated fats and sugars, allergen friendly, better for our planet. Sustainable farming through crop rotations, natural release of nitrogen into the soil, plant-based protein and fiber. So yeah, can't wait to try these. And I know I should start eating a more substantial breakfast, so bought some oat milk here. I needed to buy oat milk anyway. And I thought I'd try a vegan paleo muesli, which was like $12, pretty expensive, but I know it's a small Australian company, and I love supporting them, so there we go. What has it got in it? Sunflower kernels, pepitas, coconut, spray-free almonds, macadamia nuts, pecans, organic sultanas, pear and apple, goji berries, flaxseed. That sounds bloody delicious. I'm not paleo either, but I always love trying new things, and they're vegan, it's guilt and grain free, so why not? So yeah, that with the oat milk, that's gonna be my breakfast. And some nights when you don't really feel like a salty snack, I probably will have a tiny little bowl of this, just because it's got nothing bad for you. You know, I don't like pushing the whole vegan thing onto people. You know, I believe everyone has a choice, and I fully support everyone's own choice, but for me that choice is vegan. And you know, somebody that used to be very dear to me sort of rekindled my love for veganism, and you know, I'm always going to be thankful and grateful for that. It just makes me feel so much better about things, knowing that I'm vegan. And yeah, I won't go too much into that in this particular video, but yeah, this is just like a quick little video on like just a regular little vegan shop that I've done. It's not my main shop for the week. Like generally, if I'm doing my main shop, I'll get some vegan meat substitutes. They're just handy to have. I'm particularly fond of like the vegan fish. It probably sounds disgusting to a lot of you, but I don't know, I find it quite nice with some like fresh squeezed lemon, some salt and some pepper, a fresh salad. Delicious. What else do I have in my vegan shops? I always try and get some broccoli. I go through a lot of red onions. I used to eat a lot of beans, but I stopped eating them for some reason. Probably in that like 3-month period where I wasn't eating a lot at all. Like just, so yeah, I've sort of been building up my diet a bit, you know, incorporating different things, different foods, different food groups, and yeah. So I know this probably isn't the content a lot of you are going to enjoy, but I just got really excited when I bought this shop, and I'm like, you know what, I'm going to film a video on it. I can't wait to show people what like my shop was today, and if it interests you, then awesome, and if it doesn't, you know, there'll be a fragrance video tomorrow, or there'll be a fragrance video the next day if I don't make a video tomorrow. But yeah, I love my vegan stuff, and it's a big part of my life, and I just like sharing that with people. And I'm not pushing it on anyone. I mean, if it's for you, it's for you, and if it isn't, it isn't. But yeah, I'm a proud vegan, and yeah, I don't think anything's gonna ever change that. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.